Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Serena B here, and I have another video for you about my Halloween crafty stash because while watching back my first video that I made, I'll link it down below for you guys, I realized that there's a whole bunch of other stuff in my Halloween stash that I completely neglected because they're with other organizations. So my trims and ribbons are with my ribbons and my papers are with my papers, and I completely forgot to take that stuff out and show you guys. So I decided to do a part 2. If you follow along with my Halloween craft series, I didn't release a video this week. I was sick and I still am. I'm still getting better. But I just couldn't edit a video for you guys, so I'm hoping it goes up today, which is Sunday, the 26th of August. So without any further ado, let's get into my Halloween stash part 2. So I'll start with my stamps because they're here, and I'll try to put the stuff away.
You guys don't even know how much stuff I have around my desk right now to show you. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm going to show you my stamps. So I thought this video would be fun too because I've been crafting for a really long time and some of these items are obviously discontinued, so I thought it'd be fun to show you guys what kind of stuff I have in my stash. So I got this back in the day for $2 at Home Sense. Still really love it. I love a lot of these pieces here. So this is from Making Memories. Then I have this here Arts Cling. I love this one. Like, these things are like my prized possessions, to be honest. This is from the Sassy Club, and this is her original packaging when she would, ship some stuff back in the day. And I absolutely love this stamp set so much. There's so many amazing little doodads and little faces and little characters. I absolutely love this stamp set. I'm not sure if they're still available, but I love her writing. I just love the way she personalized it, and the packaging is so sweet, so I'm definitely gonna hoard this packaging forever. I don't know who made this, but I love it. I made a shaker card using this house. I used the skeleton a couple of times. So these are the type of things I'm never going to get rid of. I have destashed a lot of Halloween stuff in the past, and stamps, and probably other things that I just didn't want anymore, but these are the things I kept all these years. So this one is like a Christmas Halloween set. It's by Hero Arts, okay? I haven't really used any of these Halloween ones. They're not that cute, except for the back, I think. So it was $2, so I had to get it. This is, I think, EK Success or Inkadinka-Doo. I got rid of the packaging, but I love this. I made a card with this as well, long time ago. I don't even know if I have a video, but if I do, I'll link it. And then another Inkadinka-Doo stamp set. You guys can see that okay? I love it so much. I haven't really used it, except for that, I think. But I never use these, but they're so pretty, and I'm never going to get rid of them. Okay, let's continue with the clear stamps first. So I have this. It's from Illusions. It's not Halloween, but I do love these skulls, and I've used them a couple of times.
And then I have my stamp set. These are no longer available, but I've designed 2 Halloween stamp sets. This one was with my collaboration with Brutus Monroe, my friend Christopher Allen. If you guys follow me for a while, you know all about this. So this is like a well-loved stamp set, and it's called Monster Bash, and the whole idea was to have a October Halloween stamp set that would be good for any occasion in October, birthday parties, Halloween parties. That's why it says birthday, because it's like happy, or have a spectacular birthday, or spooky, or frightfully delightful birthday, or whatever. I think that was really cute. And then I have the icons on the bottom. Absolutely love these. And then this is the one I designed for PAPERCAKES a couple years back. And this is Spooky October. So I absolutely love the stamp set coordinates with my October Nights and my Spooky Pastel collections because there's a lot of the same images that you could coordinate. And the reason why I left that ghost open is in case you have this stamp set, this face can go in that ghost as well. Or this face here can go in that ghost. So anyway. That was my logic. This set was gifted to me by a lovely friend and subscriber. I think I had more of these. I'm not sure if I got rid of them or not, but these are from Michaels. They're not like the best quality, but you know I love my skeletons, and this was so freaking awesome. I haven't used them all that much though, but it's okay. I keep them forever and ever. I used this in a card actually. I will be sharing that picture soon on my Instagram, my crafty Instagram, Serena B Creative. If you guys want to follow me, it's new. I would really appreciate it if you can follow me because I'm trying to rebuild my following. Anyway, and it's just going to be crafty only videos and projects and stuff like that. So I'm really excited for that crafty page, and I have a lot of good ideas for the future. So I hope you guys can follow me there. And this is another Michael's Haunted House. I don't think I've ever used this. And then this one, for some reason, oh yeah, there's tape. It's ripped, but there's a skeleton. And then I've used a brain, and this one here, I actually created a bookmark. Let me see if I can...
Bookmark many years ago, and I used that brain, and then the skulls. I heat embossed it, and I used Halloween paper. And these are some stickers I've been looking for in my stash forever, and I think I may have destashed it years and years ago without realizing. And I don't remember the company, and I love them, and I wish I had them again. But anyway, so that's the bookmark I made with that. I have this one here. And then these little ones are all in a little ring. These are not the best quality, but there's like a little Frankenstein bride and a little sugar skull. And then a little Dracula and a little ghost. But I can't part with them. So I have this one here. This is one of my favorites. I love these little guys. They're so cute. I love this one too. I love this one too. I love these ones. These are from Joann's years ago. My friend friend Danny gave me last year. It's so sweet. It's from Studio L2E, and I love the font. It's just so cute. I can't wait to use them in my October daily. And then I have these here from My Favorite Things. I absolutely love these little tombstones. They're Tim Burton-esque, and I love it. And then I have the dies to go with it. Let's move on to the wood mounted stamps. These are all mostly from Michaels. This is from Target. I got this at Michaels. These are all like Michaels dollar bins, really. Yeah. Except this one I got at Joann's, and then this I got at Happy Mails from Hero Arts. And then I have these two. And I have destashed a lot of my Halloween wooden stamps, but these are the ones I kept for myself.
And I do have my Creepy Cute Stamp Boutique stamps. I use them for Halloween as well. I will link an image in here in this video so you can see my collection. Here it is for you guys to see. So let's move on to my punches. These are the Halloween punches I have. Really hard to come across Halloween punches now, so I am so lucky to have these. I absolutely love my punches. Yeah, Martha Stewart punches now, so hard to reach. This is like a puncher on the page thing. I got it $4.99 at Winners back then. Scrapbooking things, now they kind of stopped doing that. Another Martha Stewart one. And then I have these little ones from Studio G that I got in Happy Mail. They're so cute. And then I have some Halloween dies. So this is from Tim Holtz, and then this is the fence. And then I have these Tim Holtz dies. And for the sake of this video, I am not going to pull out my embossing folders or my stencils, but just know that I do own embossing folders and stencils that are also Halloween themed, just so you know. Okay, so I keep my dies in this little container thing, and I wish I can get more. I've been trying to find them online everywhere. They're like sold out. I think they're discontinued. I don't think they're made anymore. This is how I store my dies. So I have this. Oh, hold up. I have a stamp set that goes with this. When I was pulling stuff out of my stash, I guess I missed these. Spellbinders, a fence. I do not remember where that fence comes from. These are like my prized possessions. These are so hard to come across now. Nesting pumpkin dies. This is 2 packs, I think. I don't remember where these come from. Another 2 of my prized possessions. My nesting tombstones, and then my bats. Oh my gosh, I love these so much. And then, yeah, this all came together. And then these are another bat set. These are from Spellbinders. And then I have this hand. I forgot the company, but now I know AliExpress has knockoffs, which sucks, but anyway. And then this is all like one set. I love these, so they're so cute. Spellbinders as well. These are from Diamond Dies, and a couple years back they sponsored my series, and so I did a lot of fun projects for them with these dies. And then we're getting into Christmas, but I have this die, and this is like an elf, but I use it as a witch. Or was it a witch? I think it was a witch because that spider came with it. So those are my dies and punches. Hey, next, let's get into ribbons. Ribbon is kind of like my guilty pleasure. I have a ton of ribbon that I keep buying, and it just gets more and more and more. It's ridiculous. Okay, so this I got last year. It's gorgeous. It's like a spider web. It's kind of expensive, and I got it for half off with a coupon, but it's sparkly and it makes a mess. But I love, love, love this.
This is also spiderweb tulle from Michaels, and yeah, I just cannot myself. Then I have more that I did not pull out, guys. Just remember, I have black glitter, purple glitter. I just wanted to get the gist of it so you guys get an idea, but I have a lot more in my stash. I have doubles of these as well. I have a white one, but it's like this beautiful like spiderweb netting thing. I love it. And then I have this one here. Oh yeah, and I have that skull tool that I showed in my first crafty stash. I got this last year because I love it so much. Don't know what to use it for, but I can help it. Like I said, ribbon is my guilty pleasure. So I have this from Michaels last year as well. And then these I have doubles of. These are Halloween from years ago, but I keep it in my regular crafty stash because it can go with anything. Same as the skulls, Michaels years ago. I keep them on these spools to save space. And yeah, this is also from Halloween Michaels years ago, but I keep them every day in my little ribbon drawer because I know I can use this for any type of project. Skulls. This has like a bunch of random things in here. Some more orange and black and purple, but like I said, I use this for every day. This is my favorite ribbons ever. I only have a little bit left, and I wish Michaels would come out with this again. I would buy like 5 rolls. I love, love, love this. So I do hoard this. And yeah, there's purple like that too, and I have orange. So I have 2 purples and 2 oranges, but only 1 black, and I'm so sad about that. This is also Halloween by this every day. And then I have this Halloween bag of goodies. Okay, so let me just go through this really quick. It's ghosties, pumpkins. See? Orange. I have like 3 rolls of these. I I love black and white, so I have to use it for everything. Then I have like 2 extra rolls of this. Beetlejuice ribbon. Yeah, spider web. I'm still gonna buy some Michaels from this year because I really like them. So I buy it every single year. This looks, yeah, so ribbon.
And I have my Halloween sequins in here. Most of them are all in here. I do have some separated as well, but there are a bunch of different things. I try to categorize them like, so bats, skulls, witches. I'm not gonna go through all of this, but I have a ton of ghosts and just a bunch of different sequins. And now let's get into the paper. I have this much of 12x12 paper, as well as more paper that I didn't pull out because it's in a different bin, but it's all the papers I got this year for Halloween from the Bewitched Echo Park collection. My favorite collections, and I have 2 of these. It's from Tim Coffey and it's really old. Let's see.
This is from 2013 and I absolutely love this collection. So this is the full one I have intact. There's glitter treatment and everything, and then this is what I have left from this first one I got that I cut into and played with. So I still have some things here. And then some orange cardstock, glitter, some more scraps of that collection. Graphic 45. I made a Witchy Flipbook if you guys want to see. I'll link it down below. And then this is from Michaels, and it has, I got it because of this shiny black mostly, and foil and just like corrugated cardstock, so I have that. And then I have this huge thing. Like I said, I have another one like this of Halloween paper, but I didn't pull it out. It's from the stuff I got this year. I can link the haul video down below if you want to see. So yeah, these are all bigger pieces. Actually, oh, I cut this. This is from After Dark. I wish Paper would create another Halloween collection because that one was really awesome. So anyways, a bunch of scraps. This is from Something Wicked. I got it for Trick or Treat. Like, I love this one. I love this one. This is one of my favorites. This isn't Halloween, but it works, so it's there. I love this one too. That one is, I forgot who it's from. This is from Cartapella. Pebbles. Some shiny corrugated cardstock. So yeah, you can see. I love my Halloween paper. A lot. This is so gorgeous. I don't even remember buying this. I don't know where this came from. I don't know if someone gifted it to me or I bought it. I guess I bought it. Yeah. Eyeballs, Martha Stewart. This is cool. I don't know what to do with it. Martha Stewart. And then, yeah. Ooh, what's that? Oh, it's, I got this last year, I think. Pebbles. Vellum. I should use that. It's gorgeous. And then, this is from last year. The Beautiful Nights. Look at this. It's so gorgeous. I used that for my October Daily cover for last year. This is from Pebbles last year. I love it. Beautiful Nights. Oh yeah, this is from Hobby Lobby, but I used it for a Halloween mini album I made for a friend that is Harry Potter themed. So you guys want to check it out. I'll link it down below as well. I love this one here. It's so cute. Yeah.
I have these papers with my 6x6 paper stash. So this was gifted to me last year. It's the Pebbles collection from last year and I absolutely love it. It's so cute. This would make such an amazing little mini tag album. Love this. And then okay, so let's get old school. This is from 2013. From looking at all this, I tend to really like the Pebbles Halloween collections, and this one was called 31, and it is well loved. This is all I have left, so you can see that. This is from Target from 2014. This is from 2015, but I got it last year. Very basic, simple background patterns. Boo, and I have 2 of these. This is like a full one I got in Happy Mail, but I did buy one for myself and I've used a lot of it, so it's in my scrap bin. Something Wicked, My Mind's Eye. Really love this one too because of all the glitter. Not really into the vintagey things, but I like the glitter. This was gifted to me a long time ago in some Happy Mail. It's a Martha Stewart one. This is from Michaels years ago, just because I like the shiny black. Mostly because of the shiny black. A little Doodlebug one. I don't know what it's called because the cover is missing, but yeah. Then I have this bin full of stuff. And when I was going through my stash, I didn't even go through these because I forgot this existed. So I have another 2 bins of die cuts and stuff that I have to go through and separate and organize like I did in my first stash video. This is from Hobby Lobby. I got it last year. I just really like some of the patterns. I think they're really cute. It's not new or anything. So I have a bunch of 3x4 cards here. All my Halloween collections are mixed in here.
Mine, other brands. Oh yeah, my Beetlejuice one. This is from my Jeepers Creepers collection. The first collection I ever designed was a physical collection, and I think I had like 24 or 48 sets that I sold with the kit. So I kept a lot of the patterns for myself too. So like this one. But it is now released as a digital collection, so if you guys are interested in my Jeepers Creepers collection and papers, it is now digital format. So this is one of them. Anyway, you get the idea. It's all 3x4 cards. I have more, but they're my Project Life bin, because I just keep them out for like every day. Beautiful Nights paper pad. And then these are all papers from my Jeepers Creepers, my Spooky Pastel, and my October Nights collection. They're all in here. So just to give you a quick look. This is all designed by me for my shop. If you guys are interested, I'll link my shop down below. This is from one of the first papers I ever designed. So you can see it's shiny. This is that Jeepers Creepers collection I was telling you about. So that's all in here.
These are my Jeepers Creepers cards, like I was telling you about. My 4x6, my 3x4, my 4x4. All in here. These are my extras that I kept for myself.
And then yeah, so this is one of my favorite collections. It was from Cartabella, and I wish they created it again, but they didn't. I just wish I could find it. I forgot the name, but I know it's from Cartabella. I think this is from Hobby Lobby. Pebbles. This is also from another collection I really, really love. These ones are from that, I think it was Echo Park, Something Matter. Anyways, it had a lot of green, and I really, really like this collection. This is another one from that Cartabella one I was telling you about. This too, I love this pattern so much. So yeah, Cartabella, look how beautiful that is. I wish they came out with it again, or I could find it somewhere. Yeah. So I'm just gonna go really quickly through this. These are Michaels and just a bunch of random things, Pebbles. This is Flock that my friend Carrie sent me a long time ago, so it's really perfect for die cutting stuff like that. A card. This is from my Jeepers Creepers collection. So a lot of these are all.
Look how much I kept for myself. You guys are probably like, what? Because they sold out really quick, my collections and my kits, but I kept all of this for me so I can use them. These are all designed by me, my first ever collection that I've ever designed. I'm so in love with it. And yeah, like I said, it is available digitally online. And now I made the papers 8x8. Anyway, yeah, so that's that. I'm just gonna go through like this because this is gonna take forever. These are like little scraps of pages I cut into. Again, this is from that collection I love, and that's actually what I use in the bookmark, and I just distressed it. So these are all like little scraps of paper, as you can see. So that is it. I'm officially done showing you my Halloween stash. If you guys have any questions, please ask me down below in the comment section. I really like to hear from you. And if you have shared your Halloween stash on YouTube, please leave the link down below, because I love watching Halloween stash videos. I like to see what people have and the rare and unique pieces that are hard to find now. Like, that just makes me so happy. So if you guys want to share with me your Halloween stash, link it down below. I can't wait to see. And yeah, thanks for watching. Again, I'm sorry I haven't made a tutorial yet for my Halloween series. I do have 3 or 4 in the works. I just have to edit and put them together, and there's some projects I'm still not done. But like I said, I am going through some health issues, so until that is resolved, I don't know what's gonna happen. I might have a video next week, I don't know, we'll see. But if you guys want to hear updates from me, then I do suggest you follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I have 2 Facebook groups, Serena B and the Crafty Rebels, and my Halloween and October Daily Inspiration page. So I'll definitely link up there if I have any news on a video, and I always share on Instagram updates and stuff like that. So make sure to follow me on my other social media accounts so you are up to date with what I'm doing, and so you don't miss out on my videos. And if you are new here, please subscribe. I hope you guys can stick around, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you are notified when I have a new video. I think I said it all. Alright, have a great day, guys. Bye.